Hi and welcome to my playhouse. And well, this is going out to Patreon, Facebook and Twitter. So hello everybody that is following me on social media. Someone has been asking for an apartment tour and I think it's about time that you get it because it's probably gonna be the last chance you get. If you can hear me speaking here, there is a bit of echo. So that's because I am moving. My patron has known this for quite a while, but yeah, I am moving out of my apartment. So everything is empty now and I've been cleaning for the last 3 hours. So yeah, this is the living room. It's really high ceiling. It's 2.5 meters or something like that. Just got new windows. I haven't enjoyed them at all because I was already moving when they came and installed the new windows here, very big windows, and well, I've been living with some old crap, and then when I move there are some new windows, so that's cool. But yeah, this is the living room. In here is my bedroom, and down here is where my internet connection came in. It was a dual what was that, ADSL, but with 2 lines. They combined 2 telephone lines to get more speed. It didn't help much, it was still really bad. But yeah, that's it. So rather big bedroom. I think, I forget how big it was, but yeah. And down here is my creepy basement, which is not as creepy right now because it's rather empty. It's yeah. So I have been doing some videos down here. Oh, the sound is better here because there's a carpet. There is only this one lamp and a bit of power here. And yeah, I renovated this not long ago, and over here was a cabinet, and I didn't bother taking that down. So you can see how crap it is behind that. But I did actually paint this wall over here and put on a new carpet, and I'm gonna miss this place for sure. So yeah, this is about 16 square meters, I believe. No, it must be less. Yeah, it can be. So yeah, this was the creepy basement, and I better turn off the lights on my way up. It was a great man cave to house all the crap that didn't look very nice. So yeah, and the lock is on the inside, so I haven't used it for anything bad. Not anything that I'm gonna admit anyway. So out here is the kitchen, and I have been cleaning out everything. There is manuals for the oven and stuff, so I've been cleaning that. I'll check if there's anything in the dishwasher. I think that's good. Oh yeah. Just have a little bit of cleaning material back. I plan to kind of wash the floor in here where it has been used a lot. I have already washed this floor 3 times, but there is still like a dark spots where it has been used a lot. So I'm gonna give it an extra go, these spots where it's ugly. In here is the bathroom. I have been doing a lot of scrubbing in here. It has been really irritating work. And stop dripping. Yeah, trying to get all the sulfur, I think that's the name of it, out of here. So yeah, looks kind of nice and clean now. So this is the guest room, or was the guest room. I have had this rented out at some point for students. University students has been renting this. It turned out to be a lot more problem than it was worth most of the time. So yeah, and this is the hallway. It's not big. Power meter. So yeah, I need to do some cleaning here as well. So this was the apartment tour. For everybody who has always wanted to see my apartment. It's really empty right now. So yeah, thank you very much for being a patron or following me on social media. and I will complete this, and this Tuesday, I have to give away the keys for this apartment. It's gonna be a little bit sad. Have been living here for 12 years or something like that. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a really nice day. Bye bye.